Hello kids. Today we are going to revise the lesson Beacons of Peace. Beacons of Peace. The whole lesson revised in some points. Let us revise. Point 1. Mahatma Gandhi is remembered for his immense love for mankind and values like ahimsa means non-violence, satyagraha means truth, and the messages of peace, humanity and brotherhood. Mahatma Gandhi is remembered for his immense love for mankind, values like ahimsa, satyagraha, and the messages of peace, humanity and brotherhood. Point 2 is Martin Luther King Jr. was greatly inspired by the Gandhian philosophy of satyagraha and ahimsa. Who was greatly inspired by the Gandhian philosophy of satyagraha and ahimsa? Martin Luther King Jr. was greatly inspired by the Gandhian philosophy of satyagraha and ahimsa. Point 3. Mother Teresa worked towards the empowerment of women and children by educating them. Mother Teresa worked towards the empowerment of women and children by educating them. Point 4. Nelson Mandela practiced satyagraha and non-violence in his fight against the apartheid, racial discrimination in South Africa. Nelson Mandela practiced satyagraha and non-violence in his fight against the apartheid, racial discrimination in South Africa. Point 5 is Gandhiji, Martin Luther King Jr., Mother Teresa, Nelson Mandela are the true beacons of peace and will always be remembered for their selfless work and sacrifice they did for the mankind. Gandhiji, Martin Luther King Jr., Mother Teresa and Nelson Mandela are the true beacons of peace and will always be remembered for their selfless work and sacrifice they did for mankind. Understood, kids? Here lesson revision over. Now we are going to solve the exercise. I hope you all have read the lesson. Now we are going to solve the exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct option from those given in the bracket. Before going to fill the answers, you read the statements and options correctly, carefully. Then you fill the answers. A. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhiji was born on 2nd 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Options: January, August, October. January, August and October. Answer is 2nd October. Right here, October. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1969 at Porbandar in Gujarat. Okay, now next question. B. I Have a Dream is a famous speech by dash dash. I have a dream is a famous speech by Martin Luther King, Gandhiji or Nelson Mandela. Answer is Martin Luther King. Right here, Martin Luther King Jr. Okay. C. Dash dash was the first non-Indian to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. Mother Teresa, Nelson Mandela or Gandhiji. first non-Indian awarded by the Bharat Ratna, Nelson Mandela. Right here, Nelson Mandela. Okay, Nelson Mandela was the first non-Indian to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. Now D. Mother Teresa was born in dash dash in 1910 in America or Macedonia or Kolkata. Answer is Macedonia. Okay kids, here are fill in the blanks over. Next, see question number 2. Tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. Before reading the lesson, before reading the statement, you don't tick the answers and you don't cross you check out this statement is true or false. Then you tick the confirm that it is the correct. Then you tick the for correct and cross for the wrong one. Nelson Mandela fought for his right of fashions in America. Wrong. This is the wrong statement. Next. Martin Luther King Jr. was awarded by Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. Yes, correct. It is the correct. Martin Luther King Jr. was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. Correct. C. Gandhiji studied law in South Africa. Wrong. It is the wrong. D. Mother Teresa founded the Missionaries of Charity. Yes, correct. It is the correct. Mother Teresa founded the Missionary of Charity. Correct. E. The Civil Rights of 1964 gave the African American equal right. Yes. Civil Rights of Act 1964 gave the African American equal rights. Understood, kids? Here are true or false, tick or cross over. Now we are going to see the question answers. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question A. How were the African Americans being treated in America before even after the abolition of slavery there? Answer is, despite the abolition of the slavery in the USA in 1865, the African Americans continued to face many atrocities. Buses had separated seats for the blacks, and the most eateries did not permit their entry. Access to the educational institutions was restricted. Understood, my kids? How were the African Americans being treated in the America before after the abolitions of this slavery there? Now question B. Name the honors conferred on Mother Teresa in recognitions of the humanitarian work done by her. Answer. Mother Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and the Bharat Ratna in 1980. She was also honored with the Magsaysay Award. Mother Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and Bharat Ratna in 1890, and they along with the honored by Magsaysay. Understood, no kids? Okay, now question C. Which two people were jointly awarded the Nobel Peace Prize and why? Nelson Mandela and the President de Klerk were jointly awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993 for their work in ending the apartheid in peaceful manner and for laying the foundation of the new democratic South Africa. So, the two people were jointly awarded at the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay? Now, question D. Name the two people mentioned in the lesson who were inspired by the Gandhian thought. Answer: Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King Jr. were inspired by Gandhian thought. Here, kids are lesson division, exercise along with question answers all over. Today's your homework is read the lesson, learn the all new words by head that one, and write the exercise in textbook and then copy it along with question answers in your notebook. I will give you these questions answers in homework. Okay? As a homework, you write this one all exercise in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video.